Using the LoadLifter, I'm able to adjust the PSI up, adjust it down, depending on what state I'm in, what city I'm in, what road I'm in. You know, sometimes I'm delivering in a pavement road, sometimes I'm delivering out in the country and there's a lot of gravel. So I'm able to adjust the PSI on the backs. One of the advantages of the Towtal View camera is that I've been to private residences that have long driveways, and a lot of the houses don't have lighting outside the property. So when I'm backing into a gate and I can't see at night, I'm able to pull up the camera and I'm able to see the driveway enough to where I can back in the trailer and finish, get to the residence where there's lighting without me hitting anything. So. My name is Luis Cortez, owner-operator of Succio and Auto Transport. I ride with safety and comfort with Airlift Company.